Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare spinach for salad. First, select fresh, vibrant spinach leaves, ensuring they are crisp and green. Carefully inspect the spinach for any damaged or yellowed leaves, discarding them as needed. Next, gently remove any thick or woody stems from the spinach, as these can be tough to chew in a salad. This initial step ensures your salad starts with the best quality greens. Now let's get that spinach sparkling clean. Fill a large bowl or your kitchen sink with cool water. Submerge the spinach leaves completely, gently swishing them around with your hands to dislodge any dirt or sand. Lift the spinach out, drain the dirty water, and repeat this process 2 or 3 times until the water remains perfectly clear. This ensures a grit-free salad experience. Drying your spinach properly is crucial for a great salad, as wet leaves dilute dressing. The easiest way is to use a salad spinner. Just load the spinach and spin until dry. If you don't have a spinner, gently pat the leaves dry with clean paper towels or a kitchen towel. Make sure the spinach is completely dry before adding dressing to prevent a watery salad. Once your spinach is clean and dry, it's ready for your salad or for storage. To store, place the dry spinach in an airtight container with a paper towel to absorb any residual moisture, keeping it fresh for longer. When you're ready to enjoy, simply add your favorite dressing and other ingredients. Remember to dress your salad just before serving to keep the spinach crisp and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.